as a platform to be applied all my learning and knowledge and take it big, or do I go and work in a big machine in a small part? This is a kind of introspection one needs to do. Certainly in family businesses, you have to make a lot of compromises. But if you have worked outside, you will know even in corporate life also you have to make compromises. If you are working in Kodak, you knew that this industry is dying, but you could have done nothing. You are in Kodak, you have to sell Kodak. That's it. Family businesses, if you are in Kodak, if it was dying, you could have started some other business simultaneously. So if we have access to family business, I personally will believe we are blessed. And how to take our business 10 times up is what is our challenge. Our parents and parents of our parents brought our business from zero. You can think of the kind of struggle they went through in 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s to come up to here. Whatever thing we are facing is nothing compared to the kind of challenges they faced. And now from here to take it there is our job. Just being born in the family, this is my job. If I start looking at it, then I have very clear. But if I think that after all this is one more business which Westerners will try to teach us as, then is another matter. They tell us that you should have no connection and attachment with you and your business. I call it rubbish. Unless there is a passion about your business, कैसे भी करके मेरी फैमिली का नाम है, कुछ करना है, तभी business होता. So we cannot separate business with myself. We cannot separate business with family. We are all together. All our energy should be used to take our name forward. The family yesterday was telling me, दादाजी ने ये सिखाया है और दादाजी के करने से ये हमारी इज्जत है ये समाज में. अभी इसको आगे ले जाना ये मेरा काम है. If we inculcate these values into our children, I believe it's the best education that we can give. Pride in our family values. What else?
May I ask, and absolutely no offense meant, but does your family have a business?
No, I don't. And there is no need, nothing about offense.
No, I just
The
want to make
question is, I come from a background in which I was involved in consulting, and over last 15 years, when we have been running this program with family businesses, with 2,000 families, I have interacted, and I see the kind of values and morals and ethics that is there in family business is phenomenal. Now, big companies, multinationals are always highlighted. But the kind of struggle that family businesses go through, the kind of effort, the kind of enthusiasm with which they work is underplayed. My experience of working with them shows, and I will tell you, this is my personal conviction. If our countries are going to grow up, is not going to be because of MNCs, it is going to be our family businesses. If in our countries employment is going to be generated, it is because of family businesses. And that is the reason why our country family businesses have to now start thinking of growing 10 times. I am into textile, I get into petroleum. I am into steel, I get into paper. This multiple thinking is noted today is the need. And that is our strength. I believe family business people themselves do not realize the explosive power that they have inside them. They are highly underestimating themselves. I have seen business people in India, they have closed mind. I have seen that among many, even in Pakistan, we are somewhere thinking that we can operate only within a boundary. We have not yet fully recognized and realized our potential. You know, there is a guy, Lakshmi Mittal, Sunil Mittal is the name of the guy. 30 years ago, he started some business which closed down. And then he got into telecom, and the way the things went, he ended up acquiring the largest company in Africa. And it is not that he has tons of money, it's the business sense. Look at our ancestors, whoever have been in the business. It is not that all of them were born with the silver spoon. They started from nothing and they grew to very big high levels. They took opportunity of that time. Now is our job to take opportunity of today's time. Today the opportunity is global. And nowhere in the world people are as capable to take advantage as in our countries. We are hungry. We want to grow. We are ready to work 18 hours a day. Some places in the world they say they work 36 hours.
हाँ
Yeah. So in some countries people work 36 hours a week. In our countries people are ready to work 36 hours a day. All that is required is that enthusiasm, and it is contagious. If I am enthusiastic, my whole team gets enthusiasm. If you are enthusiastic, your family will get enthusiastic, your people will become enthusiastic. And if you want to see, there is a movie, Hum Hai Rahi Pyar Ke. This was a movie some 15-20 years ago. And the movie shows that our people are capable of really fighting into crisis. That something that is difficult, the way we all can come together and really work it out is our tremendous strength. Your business needs leadership, and that is you. Whatever operations you are handling requires leadership, and that is you. If today, suppose I am a manufacturing head in a textile plant, I am talking about that we will give delivery in 3 months. If I take a commitment, we will give delivery in 15 days, my team is going to be with me. And if I start promising and performing delivery within 15 days, I am going to change the paradigm. Everyone in our company, in India, there is one word called Bania. Bania is a businessman. Everyone in our company need to become a Bania, need to become a businessman. Those of you whom we have met earlier, you know, our team has to become a team of commandos, result oriented, focused, energetic, ready to do anything, not bureaucratic government kind of thing where ये मेरा काम नहीं है, ये काम हम 15 दिन के बाद में करेंगे, मुझे तो किसी ने कुछ बोला ही नहीं था, देखूंगा बाद में करूंगा. From this to commando, the lead change agent will be you, and that is what is our role. If we can help you in working together to develop that leader in you, that is going to be the big impact. We call that as an education. Education is not getting knowledge. Education is influencing practice. The way you are doing many very good things. Can you build on it further to take great things? This is the whole idea of this program. Our experience so far is 100% transformation. That is, if I have 400 business people who have gone through, not a single one will tell us other way around. And that has been the strength of our program. Last 5 years, we have not done a single advertisement. It's just word of mouth. People see that, look, आप इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो, आपने कैसे सोचा? And they will start talking about, I went through this learning. We have been discussing about opportunity. We have to discuss about understanding money, understanding cost, understanding environment, understanding people, understanding operations, understanding strategic planning. these things, once we start understanding, 90% we already know, 10% topping on what we know to bring the best thing out. Somebody told me that, I'm not coming to your program for learning something that I know. I'm not expecting that you will tell me great thing. But I'm coming because while working with you, I will start implementing what I already know. That itself is also a big thing. All of you, of course, know a lot. Can we together work out whereby, because of our interaction, you implement what you are already thinking about? That is the way this program can be a program of catalyst. You are not alone. All over the places people are doing. And on our side, we have been interacting with business. So you tell us the business and we'll tell you the kind of intricacies are there. And we can say that in other places how people are handling. So this is not a kind of a normal certificate program. This is a kind of a business plan where our interaction can help us into translating into business plan. Generally, I suggest people that you should have a target of doubling the profit next year. If you do it already on the way, making a target of 5 times and 10 times are not impossible, particularly knowing the fact that we are into a region where opportunities are extremely high. So, Dr. Izhar, this is what we have interacted. Would you like to suggest anything?
Mr. Manimal, Izhar Saab is not here. But
Okay.
one of the potential participant, he is here. He has just joined in a few minutes back.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
he introduced himself and he would like to ask you a few things. Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Urdu में बात कर
Basically, I run a small business of bottled water. Basically, bottled water, mineral water.
I know. But when you say small business, I am little surprised. The kind of money Nestle is making in Pakistan.
Correct.
We have 300 companies into bottled water. And each one will give a tough fight to companies like Nestle. Nestle is not in India, incidentally.
Correct.
Yeah.
The market leading companies are Nestle and Aquafina. Right?
Yes.
And
Both are MNCs.
yes, basically, I'm one of the local operators with a local brand name. Right.
Mhm.
My position is I'm only operating in the city of Karachi, and basically the sales are about in Karachi at the moment is 25% of what Nestle sells.
Mhm.
Right. My pricing is half of what Nestle is charging, but I believe that my quality standards are as comparable to Nestle. The problem is that
Oh. Look the kind of business thing that he's talking about. If something is available at 50 rupees,
Nature.
this gentleman is giving me a 25. And he wants to make me believe that his quality is better than Nestle. Now, gentlemen, you believe that your quality is better, but your believing is immaterial.
Correct.
What matters is what others believe. The person who has to take out the money from his wallet, he has to believe that your quality is good.
Yes.
And that lower price is not an indicator of good quality.
Correct.
90% of the people in the world buy costlier thing not because they think it is good. They believe महंगा होगा तो अच्छा होगा, and reverse of it सस्ता होगा तो कम होगा, कमजोर होगा.
Correct.
So this is what is one of the biggest beating. I'll tell you, a 5-star hotel will not buy your bottle. A sophisticated exec will not buy your bottle, because by keeping at a price at lower, somewhere you have sent a signal that it is inferior quality. Incidentally, tell me, why did you keep price lower?
Sir, because the volume is generated by the corporate sector sales, but the profit
Yes.
is generated by the household sales. Now, the problem is that when we were young, that means in the last beginning of since first 5 years of our business, we tried to target the corporate sector, and we were very successful. 70% of our business is generated by corporate sales, which includes banks. We have got major banks in our network and everything. but they are very rigid on the pricing because they switch to our brand, considering there we have a good quality, but they want to save money on it. And
Right, fantastic. And where does Nestle sell?
Nestle sells 80% to the household sector.
Oh, good. So now you are going to price, then a household sector, why do they buy Nestle and not your product?
First of all, it's very easy for households to attract, to call up Nestle because it's a brand name, it's a brand image. They have problem with the existing suppliers, or they want to get good quality. They first call Nestle or Aquafina. And secondly, what we have to do is to actually go knocking on the doors. We get the household sector by referencing through corporate sector. We can't go and approach household sectors. You can't knock on the doors of the people and say, can you please buy a water?
Fantastic. देखिए आप सब बाकी के लोग जो भी यहाँ पे बैठे ना, we have discussed with 2-3 sessions earlier. दुनिया में एक रूल है, strong to the weak and weak to the strong. किसी को याद है कि हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था? If you appear as a weak, everybody will become strong in front of you. मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया था, अभी जो नए बैठे उनके लिए बताता हूँ. हमारे बॉम्बे में एक सबब है अंधेरी, पॉपुलेशन इज अराउंड मे बी 1 million पीपल देयर, और हमारे यहाँ पे लोकल रेलवे सिस्टम है. तो रेलवे से लाखों लोग बाहर निकलते हैं रोज. रेलवे स्टेशन के बाद में बहुत रश रहता है. एक आदमी हाथ में छुरा लेके भाग रहा है और पीछे से लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, पकड़ो 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 पकड़ो. It seems that he has done some pickpocketing and others are trying to chase him. बॉम्बे की पब्लिक क्या करेगी? साइड में हटके उसको भागने का रास्ता देगी. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके हाथ में चाकू है. When the person appears strong, everybody becomes weak. भागते भागते रास्ते में पत्थर आया, वो गिर गया, चाकू हाथ से छूट गया. अभी देखो तमाशा, रास्ते का भिखारी भी आके उसको झापट मार के जाएगा. The moment you are perceived as weak, everybody will sit on your head. Now, how do you project that you are strong? That is very, very important. By keeping low prices, you are projecting that you are weak. You may keep high price, or you may have different mechanism. I have no problem. But how do you convey that you are strong? That is something that we have to think through. Now, देखिए, in the entire business, this is what is called strategy. Where do you position your product as? If you position as low price is one thing, you position as a good product is another thing. दुनिया भर में मल्टीनेशनल बिकता है, लेकिन दूसरी चीजें भी बिकती है. इंडिया में नेस्ले नहीं चला, एक्वाफिना, all are much lower. There is a local brand called Bisleri, which is the market leader here. It's not a multinational. Positioning is important. Now, as we go along, we'll discuss what are the different methods of positioning. How do we start influencing the buying pattern of the people? Before that, we have to understand ourselves, how do people buy? All this is a kind of learning that will help us eventually to change the position. So this is what is the whole learning about. Of course, there is no one-line answer, but for sure, journey is towards that, to become strong.
So my question was that I'm going to be spending, if I attend one of your workshop, I'll be spending 10% of my monthly income.
Okay.
The question I'm asking myself, is it worth investing that kind of money or not?
Fair enough. Where else will you invest? And what return will return your money? You think with one thinking, this strong and weak, will you not earn 30,000 rupees more? एक छोटा सा आइडिया भी इधर से इधर करोगे ना, you will earn millions. And I am talking about you have to earn in crores. My suggestion is that the fees that you will be paying is the wisest investment that you have ever made in your life. Would you not invest money for education of your children? Yes, you will. You will not worry about money at that time.
I want to make a point here, a small point.
Sure.
I think money that he will be spending would be a small part. The time value of his, the value of his time would be a bigger investment. So he should
Wow.
So by making an effort to be here for spending 2 hours is far expensive for our organizations than the money that we spend. So the moment he starts thinking in those terms, he will not be faced with those tough decisions.
Beautiful. Now, first of all, that is your perspective. His question was clearly money. Huh? He said 10% of my monthly income. So, money or time, both are ultimately what are you doing? In your office, what are you doing? Are you spending your time wisely enough? In my opinion, not. When you are involved in daily routine, what are you doing? Are you spending your time in strategic matters? You are not. Really speaking, I admire this evaluation of business people. In business, in India, we say in Hindi, kitna paisa lagega, kitna paisa milega. I'll tell you, whatever money you will spend here is peanuts. If you can't make profit 10 times, 100 times, really spending this was not worth. On the other end, if you want to make money 10 times, 100 times, where else you will get this kind of environment, this kind of tools, this kind of somebody who is going to push you, this kind of climate and discussion to do the things. So money is not invested into this kind of program. That is the idea. And as far as time is concerned, we are not doing this as a weekend part. This is very much we are discussing business. Whatever we are.
Yes. No, we don't have the
You can contact me also. I have special program for promotion. I've been doing it for last 25 years. Maybe more.
February to हुई भी थी तुम्हारे पैसे ट्रैक्टर पार्ट लेने उसने मोटरसाइकिल संडे दे पता नहीं कब आया होगा अब दोबारा छोटा ज़्यादा तो फटी निकल आती है वो तो और अंदर हो जाता
पूरा 2 महीना खाएगा तब
कवर राइट में बड़ी गंदी फिनिशिंग आ रही है पार्टी का उसकी वजह से
रास्ता है यार
तो भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज सरफेस फिनिश को फर्क नहीं हम तो बात आयरन कंटेंट नॉर्मल इंडस्ट्रियल कोटिंग होती है 3 से 4 आयरन कंटेंट अगर वो रिपोर्ट करना है दूसरा लगाना है और जो शिफ्ट 4 बजे 5 बजे स्टार्ट हो जाती है वो और डिले होगी बस ये ऐसा नहीं किया
तीन का भी ऐसे ही नहीं देख में तीन का भी अगर अच्छा तो मंगा लेना
सर मैं मेरे से देखिए से राइट की है देख कोई मेरे अंदर एक पॉइंट है ये कर सकते हैं ये भी पॉइंट है इसमें भी अब एक पॉइंट है अभी अच्छा पावर से जीटाई की अगर एजेंसी किसी के पास होगी तो मैं कैसे ले लेता
अगर वो नहीं आ रहा है तो हम लोग
जब नए
मेरे पैसे ही चले गए इस रजिस्ट्रेशन को स्ट्रेंथ देने वाले वेयर टू कीप अस 4 और 5 तारीख
multiplier effect after the path
नहीं आएगा
बोलिए बोलिए
Hello. Yes, friends, I'm very, very sorry that the conference got terminated. But in any case, more or less, whatever we wanted to discuss was already discussed. I hope we could come to this some idea, clarifying some doubts, and that we all work together for a big growth in our business. And if we can be instrumental in helping you in doing that, it will be our pleasure and our contribution in doing the things. Thank you very much. See you in Karachi.
Thank you very much.
बोथ ऑफ